Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the running script button for mobile users. So as you can see, if we press the button we can run, and if we press it again we're walking slowly. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay, so what we need to do to create a button for running for mobile users, we have to create a UI first. So we can go to Start GUI, create a screen GUI. We can put a button, for example, like a text button, and we can place it somewhere where we want the run button to be at. So to check if it's on mobile, you can go to the test and press device. So it gives you this preview of what it would look like on mobile devices and other devices. So let's just choose, for example, iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the button where it will be and stuff. So we can scale it down, and we can put, let's just say, for example, here. And I have this plugin that does unit conversion. I will link it down in the description so you can get it too. I think I can link those. And it basically resets the scale, so if you go on any other device it will always be in the same place. It doesn't matter which phone size it is. So now that we have this button, inside of it we're going to put a local script. And inside of the local script we want to get services, and we want to get UserInputService. Game.GetService.UserInputService, so that we can get our binds. So now what we want to do is we want to say if UserInputService.TouchEnabled, then, and then down here else. So what TouchEnable does is basically checks if we have touch, like basically if we touch the screen and stuff instead of pressing keybinds. So now what we want to do to make the player run, we want to get the player, of course, game.Players.LocalPlayer, and now we want to get the humanoid, which is player.character.FindFirstChild .humanoid. So now what I want to do is we want to say user input service for this button, and also when we say if user input service touched enabled, we want to reference the button, which is sprint button, for example, or run button, which is we place the script in the inside of the button, so we can do script.Parent, which is the parent of this local script is button, basically. So we're referencing the button. So if we do RunButton.Visible equals true, because if touch is enabled, we want to show the UI. So we're gonna go into the button, go into the properties and disable it. And RunButton.Visible equals false. So it means if player is not on the mobile, if there's no touch events, it's gonna disable this thing for the mobile, basically. RunButton.touch tap, I think, fires when player performs a tap or gesture. .connect.function. Okay. So we want to also put let's say settings, and inside of here we also want to put variables, and we want to put running, and we want to set it to false. So if the player taps, running is gonna be equals to not running, which means if we tap on our phone, if we tap this button, running, which is false, is gonna check, basically it's gonna turn it to true. So if it's not it's basically gonna turn it to true. So if it's false, it's gonna be true, and if it's true, it's gonna be false. So you're gonna say if running, which is gonna be, if it's true, we want to say humanoid dot walk speed equals, and we can put in our settings running speed, or just like run speed, and we can set it to 30 for example, and local base speed can be like 16. So because if a player is running, if it's running, it's gonna be run speed. Else if it's not run speed, so if the player is if player press the button again, it's gonna be base speed. And I think this should work. We can test it out right now. We can go to play. So now if you can see, just wait for a bit till it loads. As you can see, we don't have the button because we're playing on a PC. But if we switch to mobile, for example like iPhone 14 I think, we can see the button that we placed. So now if we go press the button, we can run, right? And if we press it again, we're walking slowly. Press the button, we're running. Press the button, we're walking slowly. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for this video. I will show you the script again so you can see what it looks like, and I will put the script in the description. Also, thank you for watching, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.